his masculinity is greater than her masculinity. This is why so many women today are...
This is a test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Playing wonderful. They got quarterback issues, but it's much more than that.
Listen to the Bible in a Year with Jack Graham on the iHeartRadio app or wherever you get your podcasts. The following is a test of the emergency alert system. It might seem hard to find a job with a future where people are valued and appreciated. But at Chick-fil-A Supply, we don't just offer jobs. We offer purpose-driven careers. As part of Chick-fil-A's distribution network, we ensure the ingredients that make the foods customers love are reliably delivered to Chick-fil-A restaurants. If you were here...
I've had a couple of weeks throughout the season. Yesterday, I started off 4-0.
The civil authorities have issued a required weekly test for all of Alabama, all of Arkansas, all of Iowa, all of Illinois, all of Kansas, all of Louisiana, all of Minnesota, all of Missouri, all of Mississippi, all of North Dakota, all of Nebraska, all of Oklahoma, all of South Dakota, all of Tennessee, all of Texas, and all of Wisconsin beginning at 12 p.m. and ending at 1 p.m. Test message EPAUSE open cap EAS feed configuration test message.
Saturday night and Sunday, mostly cloudy.
This is a test of the National Weather Service Hazardous Weather Warning System. You can hear warnings direct from the National Weather Service over the No Weather Radio All Hazard System. Tests of this warning system on No Weather Radio All Hazards are made each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a possibility of severe weather, the test will be delayed until the next good weather day. The No Weather Radio All Hazard System is equipped with a warning service called SAME. This is short for Specific Area Message Encoder. SAME allows people with special receivers to be notified of watches and or warnings affecting only the county desired. SAME radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, radio and television stations. This has been a test. At the end of this test, regular programming will resume.